When reliability, versatility, and durability matter most, Milmax's Omniball spring-loaded pin stands out as the perfect solution for dynamic electrical connections. Unlike traditional spring-loaded contacts that move in a single axis, the Omniball pin features a unique rolling ball interface, allowing for lateral and angular engagement. This innovation ensures better connectivity and reduced wear, making it ideal for applications with movement or misalignment. Milmax offers Omniball variations to address divergent applications. The 0845 series, a larger contact style that provides twice the stroke and a 40% increase in current carrying capacity, and the 0945 series, a low-profile version featuring an 18% reduction in height. Along with these, Milmax provides solder tail and solder cup versions, offering flexible termination styles for different design requirements in single and double row configurations for versatile, rugged use and higher current capacity. All options feature gold-plated components for superior conductivity and durability. The benefits our product delivers include reliable connections, even in lateral movement applications, reduced insertion force, minimizing wear on mating components, durability, thanks to precision engineering and high-quality materials. What is the Omniball the perfect fit for? Many applications. Parallel PCB sliding connection, allowing seamless movement between boards. Docking stations with lateral engagement, ensuring a secure connection without precise alignment. Annular rings and twist and lock mechanisms, providing robust electrical contact in rotating applications. Milmax Omniball spring-loaded contacts are precision machined, gold-plated, and designed to meet the most demanding interconnect needs. Discover how Omniball can enhance your designs. Call us or visit mil-max.com to explore product options and specifications. Make the right connection with Milmax Omniball.